When I got here, I went to the character warehouse and I might have overdone it. I'll show you. Taxi dust. This is the first time I have ever had a Korean corn dog. I did not get any of the sauces or the whatnots, guys. I'm sorry, that's not me. But I got the original and the potato. So we're gonna see, what do we like here? Mmm. Mmm. It's like funnel cake, crispy wrapped mozzarella, and it's a good god gob of mozzarella. Mmm. 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 There is no way I can eat all of that. But you have to order them in packs of 2. I got them at the Nashville Hot Chicken here at the Outlet Mall on Vineland. Oh my goodness. Mmm. That's a cheese pull. Mmm. So here's the deal. Potato more savory. Original has like a sweety, funnel cakey taste to it, which is not bad. But if you're only a savory type person, just get the potato. And if you're only a sweet type gal, get the original. Mmm. That's ridiculous. That is so good. Mmm. Well, it's check-in day, so I'm gonna head on over to the Art of Animation Resort, and we're gonna check in, and I'll show you all the stuff I bought at the Outlet Mall. I went a little crazy at the Outlet Mall. I love going there first day, because then I do still spend a bunch of money, but I'm done spending it and like I can calm down. You know how I feel about Orangebird. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I have a journal that is the Evil Queen, so I cannot wait to add this little valet tray set to my desk. I love it. A lovely mess. Ursula, a lovely mess. This is another journal and stencil kit because I'm a sucker. So my whole house is Disney, but did I have silverware that was Disney? No, I did not. And this, my friends, is going to be my fancy silver. It's not, but it's going to be mine. I love it. It's got little, it's black handles with gold Mickey Mouse shapes all over it. I love it. One bag down. Ears. Spirit jerseys, especially if they're going away. I didn't have an Avatar one, and I love the Avatar films. Sign me up for number 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. It's from Encanto. It's a little glass and picture set from the International Food and Wine Festival, which I did attend. Oh, the fireworks t-shirt from the Vault collection. I love this one. I love it, I love it, I love it. Did I spend too much for a cardigan? Yes. Why did I do that? Because there's Isma Kitty on here. Do you see her? There's There she is. He's my kitty. Wow. Orange bird shorts. I have a whole keychain collection and it stays in my living room, so we're gonna add the 50th Mickey to it. This is a mug with He's My Kitty on it. Meow. I love some He's My Kitty. Also got me a figgy. So, Orange Bird will have some company. I'm not going to show you this one because I have to unpack it, but it's a fake plant in a planter with Chip and Dale, and I paid $10 for it. Alrighty. I can't show this because I bought it for my mommy. Well, by the time she sees this, she will know I have bought it for her. So, she has the Mickey and Minnie dolls from the 100 collection, and now she'll have them from the 50th as well. One more Spirit Jose. Mickey Mouse sound cartoons. My husband has a Steamboat Willie shirt, and so when he wears that, I'll wear it. Love it. Oh, love it. I'll unwrap the picture frame to show you. Originally $34.99, I paid $14.99. And that, oh boy, is why I go to the outlets, the Character Warehouse, every time I'm in town. Every time. Because basically, I got everything you see for the price of what 2 Spirit jerseys would cost. Just about. Not the silverware. The silverware was a splurge. And now we have the Encanto long sleeve shirt. Lightweight. Perfect for where I live. And you know I love that movie. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh. And last but not least, next Halloween I will have new Crocs to wear. All fall. And that, my friends, is why you always spend your first day, your check-in day, at the Character Warehouse. When you need to spend time before your room's ready, go to the Character Warehouse. There are 2 locations in Orlando, and I love them both. I went to both today before I hit up the room.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!